Have you had your blood work done and it's come back with low iron? A common mistake is doctors will just say, take this Ferrograd and you feel constipated, or your iron levels don't change. Why? Because that supplement is not well absorbed in the gut. You need a different form in a specific dose, because the more iron you take, the less you'll actually absorb. That's a common mistake. And then secondly, not getting to the root cause of why you have low iron. If you have any inflammation in your body, your iron studies are going to be skewed. With iron, a lot of times there's a gut infection. So if there's a picture of H. pylori, which suppresses gastric acid, you need high gastric acid in your stomach to break down protein so you can cleave off iron and so you can absorb it. It's very common for compromised digestion to have low levels of iron, B12, B6, vitamin A, because we need these nutrients, and copper and zinc, we need these nutrients to recycle iron. You can see what we workshopped. There's low iron, but why is there low iron? There's going to be a root cause of that. Is it from diet? Is it compromised digestion? Is it gut overgrowth? Do we have the cofactors to recycle it? It's very, very in depth, right? It's not just surface level, low iron. If you're wanting to heal your eczema and you would like some help, click the link and chat with my team.